Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking standard first subject science. Standard first subject science. We are in lesson number 13 transport. Lesson number 13 transport. Yes, to move from one place to another we need transport. What are transport? Different types of vehicles we use. Yes, with different types of vehicles. If we want to go to neighbor, if we want to go to relatives house, if we want to go to any of our relatives, those who are staying in other states, other cities, yes, we need different types of vehicles. No, we need different types of vehicles. So some vehicles move on land. Open page number, already off of the lesson, completed explanation. Once again I will revise. We have three types of transport. No, three means of transport. What are those? First one is land transport, air transport and water transport. What is land transport? The vehicles that move on land. The vehicles that move on land, like auto rickshaw. You come to school by auto rickshaw. Yes, where it moves on road. Yes, so that is known as land transport. Auto rickshaw, bus, car, scooter, bike, all these move on land. All these move on land. And also we have vehicles that move on rails. No, railway track lines. What are those? Trains and metro trains move on tracks. Trains and metro trains, they move on tracks. Next we have air transport. The vehicles that move in air is known as air transport, like aeroplane, helicopter moves in air. Aeroplane, helicopter moves in air. Aeroplane, it carries people and also goods from one place to another, and it moves very fast and for long distances we use aeroplane. Water transport, the vehicles that move in water, like ship, boat, yacht, where we can see them in water. Yes, big ships we can see in rivers, oceans. No, they carry many people and also goods from one place to another place at one time only, because ship is very big. Ships will be very big. They can carry many people and goods from one place to another in water. Yes, in water. Next, one who drives bus is known as driver. One who drives bus is known as driver. One who drives car, car driver. Yes, one who drives car, car driver. One who drives bus, bus driver. Aeroplane, one who drives aeroplane is known as pilot. One who drives aeroplane is known as pilot. One who drives ship. One who drives ship. This is ship, where it moves in water. Yes. This ship also needs someone to drive in front, otherwise it won't move. Ship also has a wheel. Ship also has a wheel. As they move the wheel, the ship will move in front. So one who drives the ship is known as captain. One who drives the ship is known as captain. And one who drives train. Yes, train is known as engine driver. One who drives train is known as engine driver. Now today we will start page number 95. Page number 95. Open your textbook, page number 95. Noise in the surrounding by vehicles. Noise in the surroundings by vehicles. Yes, when we move on road, we get lot of noise. Which noise we get? Different types of sounds coming out from vehicles, and also horn sound. No, they will make horn sound. For scooter also we have horn. Yes, for bus, cars also we have horns. So we get noise when we move on road. Transport also adds to the noise, especially in the crowded places like cities. What causes noise in the surrounding? Yes, in cities when you move on roads, so lot of sound comes out of vehicles. So what type of sound we get? Listen. Horns of vehicles running on the road. Yes, they will make. Drivers, what they will make? They will make horn sound. So that also is a big disturbance on the road. No, lot of sound comes out when you can see. No, when you go in bus, driver, yes, what he does, he will make horn sound. How the sound will be? It will be very loud. No. Aeroplanes taking off and landing. Yes, when aeroplanes take off means as they fly up. Land means when they come down, lot of noise comes. You heard aeroplane going up, lot of noise comes. Yes, and also when it is going up and also when it is coming up, take off and landing. Yes, take off and landing, lot of sound comes out of the wheels and van. No, it has big fan. Yes, aeroplane has big fan and wheel, so the sound comes out from fans and wheels, no, from aeroplane. Playing loud music using speakers, and also we have, and also in cars or in other vehicles we have speakers. In cars and other vehicles we have speakers. They will play loud music on in that cars and speakers, cars and other types of vehicles. That is also disturbance, no, for other people. So when you go somewhere in car, know what you should do? You should play soft music. No, it should not be very loud. It should not be very loud. If it is loud music, no, one who's driving, no, driver gets disturbed, and also the people outside also, if they hear that noise, they too will get disturbed. So when you move in car or somewhere in another vehicle, no, what you should do? You should play soft music. Remember, loud noise can make us deaf. Loud noise, if you hear loud noise, no, if you will become deaf. You will not be able to hear. So you should hear only soft songs, no, soft music. Traffic police and traffic light. Where we can see traffic policeman? On road, no, what he will be doing? He will be controlling traffic and traffic signal. Traffic light will be near traffic signals. We should always travel safe. To keep ourselves safe, we need to follow traffic rules. Yes, to be safe. If we don't want to get any accident, no, we should follow traffic rules. Then only we will be safe. Yes. Now your parents are going out and coming. Why? Because they are going out and they are coming. They will go out to office and again they will come back home safely. Why? Because they are following traffic rules. They are following traffic rules. Some traffic rules are kept for our safety. For our safety, we should follow them. We should follow them. Everybody should follow traffic rules so that we will be safe. No accident will occur on road. So these traffic rules are kept for our safety. So we should follow these traffic rules. A traffic policeman controls the traffic to make sure the vehicles move smoothly on the road. We have traffic policeman, no, near the signals. He will control the traffic. Yes, what he will do? He will stand and he will ask one side to wait, no, and he will ask other side people to go. After some time, he will stop this side and ask this side people to go. Yes or no? If both the sides, if they come together, what will happen? Yes, accident will occur. So what they will do? They will stop one side and ask this side people to go. Then again they will stop this side and ask this side people to go. So in this way they will control the traffic. In this way they will control the traffic. They are for our safety. Yes, they are for our safety. He finds people who do not obey traffic rules. Yes, traffic policeman, what he do? He will put a fine. No, he will charge. He will write on the receipt 300, 500, 1,000 rupees fine if we break traffic rules. Yes, if signal is red in color, that means we should stop. If the signal shows red color, that means we should stop. If somebody, after seeing the signal also, if he don't stop and he just moves, what this traffic man will do? He will catch hold of him and he will put a fine. So we should follow traffic rules. Have you noticed a traffic signal while traveling to your school or somewhere? You saw traffic signal? Yes, this is traffic signal. No, this is traffic signal. How many colors will be there in this traffic signal? 3 colors. What are there? Red, yellow, green. Which colors will be there in this traffic signal? Red, yellow, green. Red color means stop. If you see red color in the traffic signal, that means you should stop. You should not move in front. That means you should stop. If the traffic light is yellow, you should be ready. You should be ready. If the traffic light is green, you can move. You can move. Yes, you can cross. A traffic light at the traffic signal controls traffic. Yes, a traffic light at the traffic signal. Where the traffic light will be there? Near the traffic signals. For what? To control the traffic. To control the traffic. One side it shows red color and asks people to wait. Other side it will give signal for the this side people green color so that they can go. Yes. So traffic light is there for the on traffic signals to control the traffic. Cross the road only when the pedestrian lights are green. See here, this is pedestrian light. Yes, you can see pedestrian light. When the pedestrian light is green, pedestrians means the people who walk on the road. Pedestrians means the people who walk on the road. If the traffic pedestrian light is green, then only you should cross the road. And where you should cross the road? Zebra crossing. This is zebra crossing, no? White and black stripes. White, black straps will be there on the road. That is known as zebra crossing. When you want to, if you want to cross the road, you should use zebra crossing only to cross the road. Cross the road only when the pedestrian light is green. Always hold an elders and while crossing the road. See, here they are crossing the road. No, they are holding their mammas and I am crossing the road. You should not run on the roads. You should not run on the road. You should be very careful while crossing the road. First you should see to right side, then left side, then right again. Then you will cross the road. Yes. First you should look right side. If any vehicle is coming from right side. After that you should see left side. Any vehicle is passing through left side. Then again you should see right side. If no vehicle is coming, then you should cross the road. Yes. And where we have traffic signals, we have this pedestrian light also near the zebra crossing. When the pedestrian light is green, then only you should cross the road. And when you are crossing the road, you should hold your elders hand. Elder means your parents or grandparents or elder brother or sister, and then only you should cross the road. You should not run on the roads. Emergency vehicles, and some vehicles we have emergency vehicle. When we are in need, they will come for us very fast. They will come to help us. They will come, these vehicles, they will come very fast to help us. They are emergency vehicles. Here are some vehicles which we use in case of an emergency. If in case of any emergency, these vehicles will come. If we dial the number, these vehicles will come immediately to help us. And ambulance, page number 97. See now page number 97. An ambulance carries sick people to the hospital. If any person is sick, we will immediately dial to ambulance. No, then they will come immediately. They will come and they will take the sick person to the hospital. A police van help police reach quickly. If any place is in danger, if any person is in danger, we will immediately call to police. No, dial 100. Then they will come immediately to save us. A fire engine carries firemen and a tank of water to put out a fire. This fire engine, if any place, if any neighboring place catches fire, we will call to fire engine. Yes, fire engine comes with fire engine carries fireman. Fireman will come and with a tank full of water. What they will get with them? Tank full of water and big pipe. So with lots of pressure, they will pour water on the fire. Immediately the fire stops. So these are emergency vehicles. If any person is sick, we call ambulance. If any person is not safe, we call for safety, we call policeman. And if any place catches fire, we call fire engine. So all these are emergency vehicles. Ambulance, police van and fire engine are emergency vehicles. Anyone can call this, no? Those who are in need, those who are in emergency, everybody can call. Avoiding misuse of transport. How to avoid? We should not misuse transport. We should use transport safely and correctly. We must save fuel by walking or riding a bicycle to travel short distances. If you are going to short distances, you should use bicycle. Yes, you should not use bike or scooter or car. For short distances also, if you use these things, what will happen? You will put petrol in that car, diesel we use, in bikes we use petrol. No, what will happen? That will be wasted. So for short distances, we should not use any vehicle. We should walk, or we can use bicycle for short distances. While traveling in a bus or train, we must not damage or dirty it. When you are traveling in bus or train, what you should not do? You should not damage. Some children have the habit of tearing seats, writing something on the seats or on the sheets, and what they will do after eating, they will put chips packet, covers, biscuit wrappers on in train or bus. Is it good? No, these vehicles are for us, no. So we should only keep them clean. We should not misuse them. We must not ask the driver to race on the road. Yes, we should not say, if you are sitting near to the driver, uncle go fast, some will be shouting. Is it correct? No, never we should have a race. Never we should have a race with someone who is going. No, if someone want to go in front, we should allow them to go so that we can go safely. Yes, so we should never have a race. And you should be very careful when you are traveling in train or bus. You should not put your hand or head out. No, hand or head out. When you are traveling in bus, car, we should take care. We should be safe. If you want to be safe, you should be correct. Yes or no? If we don't want to get any hurt, you should be careful. See the picture here. What is this? Kids traveling in the bus. How the kids are? See, they are sitting near the window and they are watching out. They are not putting hands or head out of the window. Yes, they are quietly sitting in their seats. They are not running in the bus. You should not run in the bus. You should not disturb the driver. Yes, you should sit in your place. And see how these children are sitting. They are sitting near the window and they are just watching out of the window. And here, a boy riding a bicycle. What this boy is doing? He is riding a bicycle. Yes, finished our lesson. So what we have learned in this lesson? Means of transport. We have three types: land vehicles that move on land, vehicles that move in water, vehicles that move on, one more thing, air. Yes, and also we have learned about traffic policeman who helps us to be safe. No, he controls the traffic, and traffic light also for our safety. So we should follow safety rules, traffic rules, so that we will be safe. Now page number 98, first bit. Already questions I have written on the board. Now we will write answers. As I am writing answers on the board, you will copy in your textbook. First one, page number 98, exercise page number 98, first one, CHOOSE, 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 WORDS, 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 FROM, from, THE, the, BOX, 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 AND, and, FILL, fill, IN, in, THE, the, BLANKS, blanks. Choose words from the box and fill in the blanks. See here, some words are given in this box. You should select the correct word and fill these dashes. Yes, what are the words given? Shall we read? TRAIN, 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 SPACE, 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 SHUTTLE, 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 space, shuttle, AEROPLANE, 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 AUTO, 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 R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. Auto, rickshaw. A-U-T-O, auto. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. Auto, rickshaw. B-O-A-T, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Train, space, shuttle, aeroplane, auto rickshaw, boat. We should read the sentence and which one is correct. We should fill these dashes. Yes. A. M-E-A-N-S means. M-E-A-N-S means. M-E-A-N-S means. O-F, of. T-R-A-N-S P-O-R-T, transport. T-R-A-N-S P-O-R-T, transport. T-R-A-N-S P-O-R-T, transport. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. T-R-A-V-E-L-S, travels. T-R-A-V-E-L-S, travels. T-O-2, S-P-A-C-E, space. A means of transport that travels to space. Which means of transport we use to go to space? We can go by cycle to space. Yes, we can go by auto rickshaw to space. Space means where it will be? Up, no, in the sky. Very far from us. So to go to space, we should use space shuttle. So write the answer in the first dash. S-P-A-C-E, space. S-H-U-T-T-L-E, shuttle. A means of transport that travels to space. The means of, that means which vehicle we use to go to space. We can go to space by aeroplane. No, aeroplane moves in air from one place to another place. Yes, from Delhi to Chennai it will go. From Hyderabad to Delhi it will move. But space shuttle is used to go to space. Second one, M-E-A-N-S means. M-E-A-N-S means. O-F, of. T-R-A-N-S P-O-R-T, transport. T-R-A-N-S P-O-R-T, transport. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. H-A-S, has. T-H-R-E-E, three. T-H-R-E-E, three. W-H-E-E-L-S, wheels. W-H-E-E-L-S, wheels. Say this answer you can give. A means of transport that has three wheels. A means of transport that has three wheels. Yes, this you will use to come to school also. What is that? Train, aeroplane, auto rickshaw or boat. Which has three wheels? Auto rickshaw has three wheels. Yes, one in front and two back side. Auto rickshaw has three wheels. Right. A-U-T-O, auto. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. A-U-T-O, auto. A-U-T-O, auto. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. Next, M-E-A-N-S means. M-E-A-N-S means. O-F, of. T-R-A-N-S P-O-R-T, transport. T-R-A-N-S P-O-R-T, transport. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. F-L-I-E-S, flies. F-L-I-E-S, flies. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. A-I-R, air. A-I-R, air. A means of transport that flies in the air. Which means of transport that flies in the air? Train flies in the air, or aeroplane flies in the air, or boat flies in the air. Yes, which vehicle we use to move by air? Aeroplane. Yes, aeroplane flies in air. Aeroplane flies in air. Aeroplane. 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 AMEANS means OF TRANS PORT transport THAT that FLIES flies in THE the AIR air aeroplane a means of transport that flies in the air aeroplane. AMEANS means of TRANS PORT transport TRANS PORT transport THAT SAILS sails means moves in water SAILS sails OVER over WATER water a means of transport that sails over water a means of transport that sails over water train or boat which sails on water train sails in water or boat yes boat 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 say BOAT 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 a means of transport that sails over water AMEANS means of TRANS PORT transport THAT SAILS sails OVER over WATER water a means of transport that sails over water boat. Next MEANS means of TRANS PORT transport TRANS PORT transport THAT MOVES moves on RAIL railway railway TRACKS tracks which vehicle moves on railway tracks yes train yes which vehicle moves on tracks train 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 AMEANS means of TRANS PORT transport THAT MOVES moves on RAIL railway TRACKS tracks TRAIN train a means of transport that moves on railway tracks train a means of transport come on write answers in your test book in first one those who finished writing answers come on see first one see the board a means of transport that travels to space shuttle a means of transport that has 3 wheels auto rickshaw a means of transport that flies in air aeroplane a means of transport that sails over water boat a means of transport that moves on railway tracks train finish writing answers in your test book. Your homework is you will write the same in your classwork. HW WRITE, write lesson 13 EXERCISE exercise a bit in CW. Exercise a bit in CW. You are going to write this in your classwork with good and neat handwriting. Yes, children. Finish writing in your textbook. See, in your textbook here dashes are given. Write answers, 5 answers in these dashes. After writing in your textbook, you will copy in your classwork with good and neat handwriting. Yes, after new terms we wrote revision zone. Yes, after revision zone you should copy this exercise a bit in your classwork with good and neat handwriting. After copying you will read all the sentences. Yes, whatever is written, all the words, all the sentences you should be able to read and learn the spellings of vehicles, different types of vehicles, and learn the spellings of different types of vehicles. Complete your work in classwork and textbook with good and neat handwriting. After writing you will read. Yes, after writing read this a bit. Complete your work with good and neat handwriting. Thank you, children.